After spending 13 years behind bars, Vybz Kartel walked free in July 2024 following the overturning of his murder conviction. His release was met with widespread media coverage and an outpouring of support from fans around the world. The atmosphere in Jamaica was electric, as many celebrated what they viewed as a victory over a flawed justice system. Kartel's freedom marked the beginning of a new chapter in his life and career. True to his reputation as the Worl Boss, Kartel quickly reasserted his presence in the dancehall scene. Within 24 hours of his release, he dropped an EP titled First Week Out, which featured a mix of gritty lyrics and fresh sounds. Collaborating with younger artists such as Squash, Kartel signaled his intent not only to reclaim his throne, but also to nurture the next generation of dancehall talent. Shortly after, he announced a major international tour set for 2025, with stops planned across the United States, Europe, and the Caribbean. This would be his first series of live performances since his incarceration, generating excitement among his loyal fan base and the wider music community. The tour is seen as a critical part of his comeback, helping to solidify his renewed presence on the global stage. Kartel also expanded his business ventures after prison. His STR8 VYBZ Rum, created in collaboration with Angostura, quickly became a commercial success, selling out within weeks of its Jamaican launch. Additionally, he continued to promote his Vybz brand of grabba products, leveraging his powerful brand to diversify his income streams beyond music. He formed new music partnerships as well, notably signing with Defiant Records, which opened doors for broader international exposure. Singles like Pretty Girl, produced by Now or Never Miami, resonated with both his core dancehall audience and a more mainstream crowd, showcasing his versatility as an artist. Health became a major focus for Kartel post-release. Years of incarceration and battling Graves' disease had taken a toll, but he committed to a disciplined workout routine and emphasized overall wellness in interviews. Maintaining his physical and mental health has been key to preparing for the demands of touring and performing again. Reconnecting with family was a central part of his adjustment to freedom. After years away, reuniting with his children and close relatives offered emotional support and a renewed sense of purpose. Kartel often speaks about how important family is to his journey and motivation. He engaged more openly with the media, granting interviews that gave insight into his experiences behind bars, the legal battles he endured, and his ambitions for the future. This candidness helped humanize him to many and added depth to his public persona beyond his music and controversies. Kartel's return has already influenced the contemporary dancehall scene. His style, lyrical sharpness, and charisma continue to inspire younger artists, many of whom seek his guidance and view him as a mentor figure. His presence boosts the credibility and authenticity of the genre. The broader cultural impact of his release cannot be overstated. Kartel has become a symbol of resilience and the complexities of fame within Jamaican society. His story sparks ongoing discussions about justice, artistry, and societal expectations, positioning him as more than just a performer, but as a cultural figurehead. Efforts to manage his public image have become more deliberate. His team is balancing his signature edginess with a more mature and measured public approach, helping broaden his appeal and open doors internationally. Social media remains a key tool for Kartel to connect with fans and promote his work. His digital engagement keeps his brand strong and relevant in a fast-moving music industry, especially among younger audiences who live online. Support from fellow artists has been significant. Many in the dancehall community and beyond publicly celebrated his release and welcomed his return, facilitating collaborations and endorsements that strengthen his revival. Despite the positive momentum, Kartel still navigates criticism and controversy. He has adopted a more strategic approach in handling public scrutiny, focusing on personal growth and positivity rather than conflict. His ambitions also extend into lifestyle and fashion branding, as he seeks to build a legacy that transcends music. Kartel is exploring ways to expand his influence into broader cultural and commercial domains. Among Jamaica's youth, Kartel's life story serves as both a cautionary tale and a beacon of hope. His journey underscores themes of redemption, perseverance, and the possibility of transformation even after hardship. Although legally free, Kartel remains mindful of the challenges that defined his past. He uses his platform to advocate for justice reform and fair treatment, adding a new dimension to his public role as a socially conscious figure. Musically, Kartel is experimenting with new sounds and themes, reflecting his personal growth and evolution as an artist. His recent releases demonstrate versatility and a willingness to innovate while staying true to his roots. Kartel has also expressed interest in giving back to communities affected by violence and poverty. Using his influence to foster positive change is emerging as a key part of his mission moving forward. Ultimately, Kartel's life after prison revolves around building a lasting legacy. He aims to secure his place not only as a dancehall legend, but as a multifaceted individual who overcame adversity and continues to evolve in music, business, and social impact. His journey is far from over, and the coming years are poised to be some of the most defining of his career, blending resilience, creativity, and a renewed sense of purpose.